For decades, the United States led the charge in space exploration, planting its flag on the moon and setting the foundation for interplanetary missions. But now, China has made a groundbreaking discovery that could shift the balance of power on Earth forever. Scientists have just uncovered a mysterious mineral on the moon's south pole, one that could hold the key to unlimited energy. NASA and global experts are stunned. Could this discovery mark the beginning of a new space era? Or does it signal something far more ominous, an impending race not just for scientific dominance but for control over resources beyond Earth? Brace yourself as we dive deep into the biggest space revelation of the 21st century, a discovery so significant that it may reshape the future of humanity itself. China's space program has grown from a quiet competitor to a powerhouse. Over the past few decades, the nation has made leaps in space technology, achieving feats once thought impossible. From the Change missions, named after the mythical moon goddess, to successfully landing on the far side of the moon, China's ambitions are now in full throttle. And now, with its latest mission, it has uncovered something that might make every other achievement look like a mere warm-up. The moon's south pole has long been a subject of scientific fascination. Scientists have suspected for years that the region contains vast deposits of water ice, a potential game-changer for space colonization. But China's latest findings go far beyond ice. Using advanced spectrometers, their scientists have identified a new mineral tentatively named after the lunar mission series. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about planetary formation and could hold clues to untapped resources that could revolutionize space travel and energy production on Earth. Early analysis suggests that Chang'e could contain elements that allow for possibly even a new source of fuel for interplanetary travel. The presence of water ice alone has already fueled discussions about using the moon's resources for a self-sustaining lunar base, where astronauts could extract drinking water, generate oxygen, and even produce rocket fuel. But there's another stunning revelation found in the region. These strange distortions in the moon's magnetic field hint at a far more complex and dynamic geological history than scientists previously imagined. Some experts believe these anomalies could be linked to hidden subsurface structures or even traces of ancient asteroid impacts that shaped the moon's interior. And then there's the ultimate. If Chang'e and water ice can open doors to interplanetary travel and new energy sources, what else is waiting to be found beneath the lunar surface? Make no mistake, this isn't just about scientific curiosity. Space is no longer just about exploration, it's about power. China's latest breakthroughs are NASA's Artemis program, the United States' plan to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable base, is now facing an urgent need to speed up. With China making such rapid advancements, many nations are reconsidering their positions on space policies, resource claims, and international cooperation. Rare lunar resources like a potential fuel for future fusion reactors have long been eyed as a goldmine for future energy solutions. If Chang'e turns out to be a similarly valuable resource, whoever controls it could gain a. In this new age, controlling space resources means controlling the next frontier of human civilization. But here's where it gets even more complicated. The 1967 states that no country can claim ownership of celestial bodies, including the moon. Yet, as technology advances and nations invest billions into space mining and exploration, will the moon become a battleground for global powers, each vying for dominance? China has kept much of its space data classified, and this lack of transparency has sparked global concerns. While its discoveries excite the scientific community, many experts fear the implications of restricted access to crucial lunar data. If China chooses to keep its findings private, it could change the entire landscape of international space cooperation. Moreover, China has its eyes set on more than just the moon. Plans are in motion for future Mars missions and advanced space station, and even asteroid mining initiatives. The global space community is watching closely. Could we be witnessing the dawn of an era where space is no longer just a playground for scientific progress but a battlefield for economic and political supremacy? The implications of these discoveries extend far beyond the lunar surface. Imagine a future where space colonies are established, powered by resources extracted from the moon. Where interplanetary travel becomes a reality, driven by new fuel sources discovered in deep space. where the next global superpower is not determined by military strength alone but by who controls space itself. As the dust settles on this new revelation, one question looms large: what's next? What other surprises are hidden beneath the moon's surface? How far will nations go to secure these newfound resources? Will international cooperation hold, or will we see increasing competition and geopolitical tensions? One thing is certain: the space race is no longer just about exploration, it's about survival, dominance, and the future of human civilization. In the coming years, new missions will seek to uncover the full potential of Change-It and other lunar resources. Private companies, government agencies, and space organizations worldwide will be watching closely. The decisions made now will shape the future of space travel, energy production, and even life beyond Earth. So, as we look to the skies, we must ask ourselves, are we standing at the threshold of a new era? One where humanity's reach extends beyond Earth? Or are we on the brink of a new kind of global competition, one that will determine who controls the final frontier? The answers lie beyond the stars. And the race has only just begun. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.